Good morning from Magic Kingdom, where security is pure insanity. Getting to the parking lot was pure insanity. We're here later than we normally would. It's about 10:30, but there's a lot of people. So all those summer people who were like, "Where is everybody?" I found them. We have made it into the pure insanity that is Magic Kingdom. There's people everywhere. So again, if you were questioning where the crowds were this summer, found them. We're on the Speedway. Oh my God.
Real life, a real car isn't a bunch of turns on the
Hi, Mirabelle. All the way over.
She was rerouting the river and they kind of got out.
Stop. You want to get Cassie to get in there with you?
Alright, right over here. One more. Excellent.
Thank you, Mirabelle. I have been terrible at vlogging today, and you know what? I'm good with it.
I've just been doing that. Oh, I'm sorry.
So we are in line for Big Thunder Mountain.
If you have Star Wars The Skywalker Saga, I'm going to tell you a code in it.
Okay.
Life Day is the code for the Gonk droid, not the regular one, though.
Okay, cool. So we met Mirabelle. We showed that. We went on teacups. We watched people get engaged. And now we're going to go on a roller coaster.
It's called...
Are you guys ready? Go!
Again!
Thank you. One. Up, up, down.
Harder. Nachos.
Yummy. Oh, and in case you don't know how to spell Lifeey.
All right.
Just in case you don't know how to spell.
All right. And dinner was good. All right. It's almost time. Excuse me for our Pirates of the Caribbean DAS. Not quite yet. So probably just gonna hang out until then, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. We're still watching the Tron.
Pirate.
Still watching the Tron boarding groups, but we'll see what happens. They're not as high as we would like, and I don't want to stay too late because if you know us, you know we drove down this morning. You know I've been up since before 2 o'clock this morning. So we'll see what happens. It's the Caribbean Fun. I like that ride. It's wet. In case the ponchos didn't give it away.
6 seconds away from the beginning of when I started singing.
Anyway, so yes, it's wet. Very wet. It poured for a couple of minutes, but now it's not, and we have our ponchos on. We're gonna head over towards Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. Do you have a favorite view of the castle? Because this right here, this is mine. Oh, too far. This is my favorite view.
Should be alright with these ones. They're not bad.
Ready? as you can see, we're standing by Tron. Our boarding group finally got called. We were boarding group 157 and we got called at 9:41. I sent Cassie, Jared, and Christian on to the ride. I've ridden it. Oh, here comes one of the cars. That took longer than I thought, sorry. I've gone on the ride twice when we were here in June. We know we're going to come here again. Not exactly when we're going to come to Magic Kingdom, but we will be here again. We're here a lot. So, I don't have a problem with just 3 of them going on, especially because the Rider Swap cast members said it was going to be at least 45-minute wait once they stand in. So, we still need to get back to the car and get to our hotel, which is not on Disney property because there was nothing available by the time we booked this trip. So, we'll keep you updated. Okay, I'm sorry the video quality is terrible right now. It is pouring. We are going to walk out of the park. Tron went down, so we're going to head back to our hotel. Well, going to head to our hotel. We're going to end this now, and we will see you tomorrow for Hollywood Studios. Thank you for watching.